Oh, hey. Hey guys, today we have another video of Roblox with a few friends. And yeah. By the way, the map is called GTA Grand Blocks Auto. I don't know. I already started like 1 hour ago. Having some fun just driving around. I had to get pulled over from some people. I forget who it was. I think it was Volkswagen and 3 others. I think the most rich is here. This car was 100K, which is kind of a lot, not really. I'm iffy, kind of. They're probably gonna subscribe to my channel, and they're gonna be on YouTube, so that's cool. Probably first time on TV, watching yourself on TV, me down it. This is really fast. Mine is 95. Where was the thing? Oh yeah, I got it from here, right there. It's a Dodge Challenger SRT. Don't know what that is because I'm not into cars. Surfer fans, war. And I'll check what's the map. I just keep forgetting. This is a sweet Lambo. This car's dead. It was a Lambo. And I have a better car than you. Buying the 15K. I have a 100. It only does like 30 speed. Man. I have 7K here. How much? 250K. And people get a lot. How much? 10K each second. Yeah, I think about 6K. I don't know. I should save up and buy that. I want to buy a Lambo. Lambo. Rather than my new Bugatti. Look at this. Tutorial of how to get Bugatti. This is a tutorial of how to get a Bugatti like me. What is that? Do I have 21K? Do I have? Nope. That's not me. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Now let's go to a store and sell this car. The free cars, you can just keep on selling them and get lots of money. The free cars are just 6K. And that's crazy because those are $0. Oh, here are the big cars here. Look. I also have a cool car, don't worry. Bugatti. You have the same car as me, huh? Let's go. Here's the free cars. I guess we're gonna have to buy from here. What did that last one give? Once again, I'm so bad at driving in Roblox Mobile. Ooh. Dang. 50K. Alright, that's not bad. Now I need to walk all the way over there. 2 hours later. 500 hours later. Million hours later. What is the car? Dang. I'm a Lambo. I'm in my birthday cake. You know that I'm in a Lambo. Guys, we're in a tutorial how to get this new, how much speed? Bet you 100. Let's see this. Let's go. 100. Yes! Told you. I got $500. I have 50K. Oh, yes, we're getting 400 per second. Boop. This is good progress here. Where am I going? I need to go home. I'm gonna keep hitting things. In real life, I would be a really bad driver. But I'm like, come in, baby. And be like, and it's gonna be a safe ride. That would be really fun. I don't think that's a problem. I would have been like, oh, me too. You are good at none. Man, you're not in this body. Look, the only thing I'm telling you. What I did. Look at that. I'm the best car here so far. Look at this. Wanna race? Okay. You wanna race? Let's go. Dang, where are you going? You're trying to kill us, Nice drift. Project down. Yes. Thank you. People are subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys who in this map subscribe. Shout out to all those people. Shout out. Guest. Subscribe. Man, I'm not letting you out. Oh, you better think again, the one who tried to arrest me. I'm gonna arrest you right now. Go in my car right now. Right now. Yeah, you're too cool. Alright. Wanna race? What's up, man? I know ya. go back, bro? You wanna go back? You wanna go back, bro? You wanna go back, bro? You gonna go back, bro? Oh. I won. Look at this. Just past me. Get out of here. Alright, we're back. Sorry about that. Where's my Lambo though? Ouch. This one of those up and down. That was fatality, not murder. You go my car, you did. I just went to next level because I ain't no. I dare you to shut up. Don't down on. Where is my subscribers? Just kidding. Can we own 5 billion houses? Man, you seriously bump him up? You're not going in. He's the most richest and the most money and has like the worst car. Here, you buy yourself a house and I'll keep trying. Ooh, that was nice. What does this say in my back? Dirt boom box. Bro, can't think of anything else. Creators never learn what their thing should be. You wanna go racing, little boy? Does anyone in this map even see my channel? Like, imagine some people, or else no one. He said to run like weird ways. Hey, I guess. To buy the house. It was like kicking. They're just like, hi. And I was like, bye. You're like so sad. Sorry, friend. For me. As you can see, I'm in my new little Bugatti. I'm in my new Bugatti. Bugatti. I'm in my new Bugatti. I'm actually really crying, so don't be mad. You mad, bro? Why you sad, bro? My private room, if he comes in here, we all know. No. I won't lock you. Nice. How much money do I have? 10K. 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 10K, bro. 10K. You wanna come in? Party in the house. Unlock this guy. Come on. Why is this guy following me? Is he a pervert? Like anytime I go over here, he'll follow me. Look at this. At this moment, Charlie knew he was cooking awesome, man. You want to fight? You want to fight? Man, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I thought so. This is your car. Oh, 300K. You know what, Charlie? You take me on a ride with your new Bugatti. Or just go. Go. Where you want to go? I don't know. Asking me where to go. This is your car. I don't know. Just drive me anyway. He's trying to kill us. Mom, help me. Oh, man. Yeah, perfect. Once again, you don't know how to drive. I'm gonna give a shout out to him. UT. Give a shout out for Cook, something like that. If you sell cars, you get, I don't know, I don't get question marks. I know if you sell those, you get money. We all know. Sell yours right now. I'm just not doing anything because I need money. And I know what the car I'm gonna get. You guys probably know. And I will do a Let's Play video today, like at 12, because I'm never tired. I always see you through my eyes. I just see your head. He's following me. He's still following me. It's Aggie because he's near me. At this moment, he knew he was trying to. Oh, no! He's trying to kill me. The purge is happening. She's like, I'll come with you. What are you doing here? I'm just gonna. Yeah, I'm the most richest. He probably had to go to sleep, but still, give a shout out. I'm gonna give a shout out to you. You better watch this video. You're gonna be happy. You're gonna be happy again. 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 Ah, that hurts. I have to really. No, I don't. Well, I'll give you a shout out to my new house with my new Lamborghini in my garage. You know what I like more than Lamborghinis? Knowledge. You know why? I'm stuck. Five hours later, we still get nothing. Give me all these kids. Oh, yes. There's only 100 something K. I don't know. 106K, which is not a lot, because we have this mansion right here. My Lambo's downstairs. Where are you supposed to get out here? Man, this game never thought I've had stupid. How about we do the most dangerous act in any history? I'm gonna attempt to. Ow! Help me! 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 Oh, we're so close. We're so close. Let's go. Then I have something at the end for all of us. Wait. The purge is happening. The purge is happening. All these years, I knew that the Illuminati was real. So close. Do we have enough? Do we have 80K? 76. This is on my cheeks. Help me. Help me. I still don't know what to do with my intro. Help me. Oh, my ears. Trying to get God dang. I'm so mad now. I'm really mad now. Well, now I have to do it on the cheaper houses. But still, where's my Ferrari? The Lamborghini was over there. Oh, I'm so mad now. I'm still gonna do it with this Ferrari. Ferrari's out just like kind of the same as Lambo, so let's do this. You guys ready? Let's buy this one. Open garage. You're not going. I really hate you, though. I really hate you, though. Oh, we're finally here. We're finally here. It's still from the Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm in my garage with my new red. Take 2. Action. I'm in my garage with my new red bologna. You know, I like more than bolognas. My sausage. Nah. I'm in my new garage with my new Ferrari. You know, I like more than Ferraris. Turkey. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn. Well, guys, hope you like. Either way, since we're gonna leave, we had to delete it just because we are in the valley. Once again, Emino, stop being stupid and get out the house. Well, I hope you guys like that short video. I know it was kind of short. Either way, it was past 20. And I'll do Let's Play after this. Hope you like, subscribe. I give a shout out to all those people who are in the server. You're welcome. Here's 2050. To my little friend, process USD. You're welcome. You're welcome. And peace. I still have to check what it was named. Please. Grandbox Auto. Alright. Peace.